Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And by default to change the volume you need to single press at your left or right earbud. At the back side we have touch areas, so right here and right here. First I will show you how to change it, and then I will show you how to customize it. So let's move the audio player, and if I press one time at my right earbud, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. To lower it you need to tap at the left earbud. And look at this widget, it works. Okay, how to customize it? We need to open EARFUN audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down. You need to find customize controls and make sure that you do not disable all controls. So if you have this, just tap at the slider. Now we can add it for the double press, triple press, single press, but for the single press we have it by default, and press and hold. Let's say I wanna add for the double press for the left earbud, I wanna volume down my music, and for the right one I wanna volume up my music. Let's check, is it work? So now I press 2 times, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I can increase the volume. What about lower the volume? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.